So in this video, I will show you how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. So the step are so simple to remove a restricted mode on TikTok. After you open your TikTok app, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. So tap on this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy at the bottom. Under the settings and privacy, now scroll all the way to down and go to this content preferences. So under this content preferences, as you can see now, here it says restricted mode. So as you can see now, here is turn on. So now all you have to do now, tap on this section which says restricted mode. So as you can see now restricted mode is turned on my TikTok account. So to remove the restricted mode, all you have to do now, tap on this turn off section. So now it will ask you to confirm your password for your restricted mode. So I'll just type in my password that I set. So tap on this next button. So that's it guys on how to remove your restricted mode on TikTok. As you can see now, it says restricted mode turn off. That's it guys on how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.